Welcome to Guided Breathing for Beginners.
Breathing exercises are a simple, effective way to reduce stress and improve your well-being. In this guide, you'll learn a step-by-step approach to mindful breathing. Whether you're looking to relax or focus, this practice is easy to start and requires no special equipment, just a few minutes and your attention.
Understanding the power of your breath.
On. It's closely tied to your emotional state. Slow, intentional breathing signals your body to relax, lowering stress levels and calming racing thoughts. Paying attention to your breath can help you feel more present and in control of your mood.
A simple breathing technique, box breathing.
Box breathing is an easy method to start with. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Hold your breath for 4 counts. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 counts. Pause and hold again for 4 counts. Repeat this cycle a few times, focusing on each inhale and exhale.
Tips for successful breathing practice.
Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes if it helps you concentrate. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Start with just a few minutes daily and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable.
Making mindful breathing part of your routine.
Consistency is key. Try to practice mindful breathing at the same time each day, after waking up, during a break, or before bed. Over time, you'll notice it becomes easier, and the calming effects last longer, supporting your ongoing stress reduction and overall well-being.